Hi, I'm Maggie. This is Dan, and we're FarmElf, here to help farmers. Raise your hand if you feel energetic or satisfied when you eat good food. Great! Imagine you were this cow. They feel the same way. But when feeding cows grass, what makes good food? Bad grass is older and has more substrate for bacteria to produce methane. Meanwhile, good grass is younger and has more protein and other nutrients, which leads to a happier cow. And the effect of good food on environment, health, and milk production matters way more than you think.
Introducing FarmElf. With FarmElf, farmers always know the best time to cut their grass for hay because they have real-time insights into their field conditions, all in their pockets. So how does our model work? Well, we primarily use data such as infrared reflectivity of grass and grass height, which we collect from climate satellites and drones. This is then fed into our machine learning model, which can predict the peak energy content in the grass, as well as its benefits for the cows in terms of milk and meat production. So now the cows will be looking forward to every meal. But how can we quantify these benefits?
Back to our cow and her new food. Research has shown that she will produce 17% more milk, grow healthier, and for the environment, a 12% reduction of carbon emissions. Why? Because better grass means she farts less. So, what's in it for the farmer? Well, more money. In addition to more government subsidies for sustainable farming, farmers earn more revenue for their milk. Currently, farmer earns 20 cents for this 1 liter of milk. With FarmElf, efficiency increases significantly. That means 5 to 6 cents more, a revenue increase of up to 20%. So, what's next?
So the scientific research is done, and we're now establishing our business plan. Then we'll move on to our prototype and finally our MVP launch. Now, we believe that our team has the right mix of computer science, agricultural, and management skills to make this project a reality. FarmElf could benefit not just farmers and their cattle, but all of us indirectly, and that's why we need your green light. Thank you.